that now you can get your travel agency recognized by ITA without giving any security amount. That you can get your travel company government recognized more quickly. What are the benefits of starting a travel agency in year 2021 or maybe in the end of year 2020, and how pent up demand is going to benefit new travel agents or the travel agents who would come in the industry now? The first benefit of starting a travel agency is that now you can get your travel agency recognized by ITA without giving any security amount. The second benefit is that you can get your travel company government recognized more quickly and more easily as government is supporting tourism industry in a better manner. Third benefit is that you can get air ticketing booking systems, which are GDS like Amadeus, Galileo, free of cost, more quickly and with less documents. Fourth benefit is there are lots of B2B systems, business to business systems, which are made only and only for the travel agents. Now you can get those B2B travel agent systems also free of cost, without any kind of deposit, more easily, without GST registration, without even registering your travel company. Fifth benefit is the pent up demand. See, by the month of February or March 2021, most of the vaccines would be available in the market, as mentioned by Bill Gates also. So by the month of May, June, July 2021, the fear of this coronavirus will be gone. And then all those people who are not able to travel, they all would like to travel, and all of a sudden lot of demand will come. When any industry goes through a recession and all of a sudden when they recover from the recession, the demand which comes, that is called pent up demand. And this pent up demand is definitely going to benefit all the travel agents who are going to enter in this industry. Another one of the biggest benefit is that now you are going to be as equal as the older companies. Older companies are also going to tap the market, and you are also going to do, it is going to be an equal competition. So it is going to be easier for you to tap the market and to capture better clients more easily without any investment. The best tip I want to give you is that do start your travel business, do start your travel company, but for the first 3 months, do it without investment. You can earn good amount of money in upcoming New Year period, which is December, by targeting only the domestic destination like Goa, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, which is an excellent destination. Earlier, Rajasthan used to get a lot of foreigner clients. Right now, they do not have, the rates are less, and Indians are traveling. So this is the right time to enter into travel industry. Other than that, you can even earn good amount of money by selling international air tickets for the destinations like Tanzania, UAE, Maldives. UAE and Maldives are sold very nicely as a travel package also right now. Yes, right now when not everywhere the travel has started, even then UAE and Maldives are doing very well. USA air tickets, Canada air tickets, Qatar as a travel destination. So these countries are still doing very good, and you can make and sell their travel packages, you can sell their air tickets even this time when the travel is little low. So prepare yourself, do contracting with the hotels. Getting the lower rates is easier. Maintaining good relationship with the hotels is easier now. Getting lower rates and benefits from the airlines is easier. And getting good relationship with all the travel agent associations is also easy. Another very big benefit is that now you can get the membership of travel agent related associations very easily, because they all want to get more of serious people who want to make their career in travel industry. So if you are thinking of making your career in travel industry or starting your own travel business, then let me tell you, this is the best time to come in this industry, because the moment pent up demand will come, which will start coming by April 2021 or latest by May 2021, then you would be able to recover all the losses which the industry has gone through. If in a month a travel agency used to get 100 clients, the same travel agency will get 1000 clients. Think about those who were not able to travel, and they all are waiting for the right time to come. This is the right time to build your company, get ready, earn good amount of money during the new year period, and then earn excellent amount of money from April 2021 onwards. So this is Mayank from the Tourism School. If you ever need any assistance free of cost, any questions, you can always contact me. I'll be happy to answer your comments. Just leave your comment in the comment box below, and I'll be very happy to answer all your questions. Keep yourself focused. Keep learning. This is the best time, and you can start your profitable travel business. This is my guarantee to you that if you do it dedicatedly, you are going to be in excellent benefit, and you can do it right now without any investment. Thank you.